how to set up recurring payments with Zelle Bank of America. Now, Zelle doesn't directly give us this option, but you can use Bank of America's Bill Pay feature to set it up. First, you want to log into the Bank of America website or the mobile app. And then we'll access Bill Pay. From your account dashboard, you want to go to Bill Pay. In the mobile app, you will tap the Transfer Zelle Bill Pay option and choose Bill Pay. Then you want to add a payee. If the person or company to whom you want to send recurring payments isn't already listed in your list of payees, you will select Add Payee. Then we have to enter the necessary information such as the payee's name, address, and account number or email address. Then we will schedule the recurring payment. You want to select the payee for whom you want to schedule recurring payments. Choose Make Recurring Payment or an option like AutoPay depending on the version of the app or website. Then we will set up the payment frequency such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, the start date, and the amount to be paid. Confirm all details and save the recurring payment. And lastly, we will need to review and confirm all of the details. Confirm the setup for recurring payments and you're done. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.